Alright, so what am I going to do today? So today I'm going to write a small program which is called import.py, and that program is part of the cs50w project 1, which is called book requirement. So if you look at right here, this section, so it asks us to write a program called import.py. So let's read through it together. So import provided for you in this project is a file called books.csv, which is a spreadsheet in CSV format of 5,000 different books. Each one has an ISBN number, a title, an author, and a publication year. So this might be like important information. In a Python file called import.py, separate from your web application, while a program that will take the book and import them into your PostgreSQL database, you will first need to decide what table to create. So I don't know, what table should I create? I think the table should be called books, and in books have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, at least have 4 columns. And yeah, it's need to have at least 4 columns because each column going to contain this information. And I think it should contain it should also have a column called ID, which that ID identify the book, like because like ID is a unique number that identify the book, and that's about it. And they want us to use a PostgreSQL database. You will first need to decide what table to create, what column those tables should have, and how they should relate to one another. Not sure what they mean by how they should relate to one another. Run this program by running Python 3 import.py to import book into your database, and submit this program with the rest of your project's code. Okay, that's interesting. So let's bring up the Sublime text, my Sublime text, and let's create something. So let's create a program which is called import.py. Cool. Man, what this program does is so how would I do this? So as the question mentioned, let me make it big. As the question mentioned, books.csv is given. So in books.csv, I have ISBN, title, author, and year. And this is ISBN, title. So like each data is separated by a comma right here. So this is like ISBN, this is the title, and this is the author, and this is the year. I think in the lecture in cs50w there is an example showing how to do that, so I'm going to get some inspiration from that. Right here, import 0, okay, let me just copy it for now. I'm not going to copy his code, but I just like use it as a structure. So, and this is available like for every student. It's the code from the lecture. I'm not trying to cheat or anything. This is like from the lecture. It like in the lecture, so it's a fair game to use. So what should I do? So let me try to go through this. So this is like import OS CSV, and so this is like the main function. So what I want to do, instead of like fly.csv, I want to open a books.csv, because that's what we have right here, books.csv, and we want to call function reader. I believe this reader going to read the whole CSV files, and it's a library that allows us to do that. So it's going to like all this name, ISBN, date, and the author name, and store it inside reader. And every time we do a for loop, it allows us like to go through each row. So the first for loop, we're going to get this data, and we pass those data into like origin destination duration. But for us, that's not what we want. We want to do this instead. So we want to do ISBN, we want to do title, we want to do author, and we also want to do year. Okay, this is interesting. So he said from models, import everything. So what's inside model? Let's see. So in model, there's a class called flight. So that's probably something that I want to do too. So I want to create a class called books. Okay. So instead of flight, I'm going to call it book ID. So like I mentioned earlier, like these are the these are the four main components, like four main data, but I also need an ID to distinguish like all of them like differently. So this is cool. This is not cool because I want ISBN. And ISBN is what? ISBN is a number. Oh, no, one number. Hopefully, there's no character in there. So, what should I do? I should look it up. Because the database that we're going to use is called PSQL data type. So, is there anything called integer? So, let's see. Numerics. Integer. There's something called integer. So we can use a n. So nullable is equal for just mean that you need to fill in this information. So this one is going to be title. Title can be string, so that makes sense. Primary key here, let's say that it had to be unique, like ID had to be unique. Okay, I want to do faster. I want to go to sleep early. So author should be string 2. Year should be integer. Looks good so far. Alright. So in here, I want to change it to book. And I want to change this to ISBN. ISBN. I think this is like confusing, like a bit confusing. I'm trying to make it less confusing, so I just do this. I don't know why I did that, but whatever. Here, so it's like this corresponding to this. This is corresponding to this, so it should be title, title. This should be author. Year should corresponding to year. Oop. And then I want to add that book. Okay. Okay. 1, 2. So origin here is supposed to be ISBN. So this is corresponding to this. With ISBN and title. Author. So I want author. Oops, sorry. Sorry to myself. And this one should be and year. All right, everything looks good. Okay, let me do it proper way. Because right now this file import.py, it's in a folder which it shouldn't be. So first thing, we need to copy this class and put it into the correct place, which is model. Okay. So now I can remove this. So everything looks good, and I also want to move import.py to like not trash, to test like the same level, like under test. Because right now because right now if you go to cd database, you will see that import.py is right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the py to higher level. So right now import.py should be right here. So now I need to go to my database to create a new content. Yeah, a new table. So let's do that. Let's do that. How does it know like what table though? Okay, so let's see. Let's go back to application.py. So how do I add? How does it know? So in register, just use this. Okay. So I use this. Wait, actually I can still use this. That's what I want to use, right? I think I'm allowed to use this for now. Like, I think I just supposed to use this command right here. So insert into books, and in books that have ISBN, title, and have author, and have year. Have ISBN, title, it have author, it have year. So right here, I want to change this to ISBN, like this, to title, like this. I don't have to use this. Wait, have I ever used the class? The username class? Nope. Nope. So I think I should be good right now. Let's see. Yeah, I don't really need this. So let me explain this one more time. I haven't explained this yet. So let's go through it. So the goal of this problem is like the question asks us like to import all of this data which have ISBN, title, author name. What's wrong with this one? Something wrong. Yeah, there we go. So which have ISBN, like this is the title and this is the author and this is the year. So they want us to import this thing into a database. And so this is how I did it. So I call a helper function, like a library function, that go to this file and read the whole CSV file, which is this. and then I pass through it to get ISBN, title, author, year, like row by row. So it have to do 510 because if you look at this, it's 500 or more than 500. Oh no, it's going 5,000 times, I think. There we go. Yeah. So it's going to read line by line to get like all those information and store in the database. So I need to create a table in the database first, and in order to do that, I need to load the sample that I had. Sample. Where's my sample? Couldn't find it. There we go. So I need to do something similar to that. So let's do it. So instead of call username, I call it books. This is all right, and I want to look at this. So I want to have ISBN, which is a integer, not null. Varchar, it's literally means string. Author should be varchar again, not null. Here should be integer and not null. Okay, we should be good. So let's go and create this table. So this is my database on, what is it called? Heroku. So all I need to do is just Control V, press enter, and hope everything will works. Nope. Why? Why it's still loading? Hey, is it even running? Let me try again. I'm going to run my script. Okay, we good. We good. So the moment of truth. Oh, not yet. Let me show you where my database is. Jessica. So right now, if you look at my database, it's empty, no row, no everything yet. But as you can see, I have ID, ISBN, title, and author, and year. So in order to import those books, I just need to run the Python command. But I don't want to import this one, so I need to delete this. So now I should be good. So the next step is I need to navigate to my folder. Okay, so import.py. So import.py is right here. All I need to do is Python 3 import.py. Oh. Oh, okay. Got you. So I have like two import.py. This is not what I want. This import.py, I want the one in database. Copy. .py. Python 3 import.py. Oh, it's complaining. Let's see, let's close this one. It's complaining on line 18. Inconsistent use of tape and space and indentation. Come on, I fixed that last time. How did I do it? Just Google search it. Shift Command P and then type in then. Shift Command P. Oh, okay. Where's my execute? We don't need this. Oh, I need to set my. Interesting. So it's complaining on line 35. On line 35, we have dp init app and scope session object have no attribute init app. Okay. Oh, it's not integer, it's... Oh, okay. I think it's a string then. So I need to delete that database and input a new one. I'm leave it 6 right now, but so I want to delete that table. Okay, that's cool. Now let's look at the error again. So it's complaining. Is it just the ISBN that had a problem? So I hope G is just a number. It's not character. Okay, one more time. One more time. It should work. Hopefully, finger crossed, guy. There we go again. Look at that, it's so beautiful. I'm not sure if they allow us to put like 5,000 row on Heroku. It would be awesome if they let us do that. Look at that, it's so beautiful. There we go. 5,000. I don't know why I printed it. I should put like number to see like what line we are on, like what number of the book that we have been going through. But let's go and see our database. Is there any update over there? Yep, no row yet. What? Interesting. Still going on. Still going on, still going on, still going on. Should I wait it? Should I go to sleep? There we go. Okay, let me go and do something else. Like, what is this limit? Wait, should I change this? Huh? I'm not sure how long I'm going to finish, but I'm going to fast forward like this video, probably like to the ends. Okay. Let's look one of the book up and see. I cannot even look. Copy paste. Oh, I guess we can like just like do this. Let's go with Google. Stolen mattress 9 tell. ABA. Oh, okay. I think I'm going to like finish this video right here, since it's I don't know like how long it will take to import the whole thing. Thank you for watching, and this is day 13, I believe, of 100 day of code. So thanks. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye.